Question. Please introduce yourself. English answer: Hello, my name is Hyung-Gyu Kim, and I am applying for the parts homologation position at BMW Korea. I have 5 years of experience in vehicle regulations and environmental certification, during which I successfully handled certifications for electric and hybrid vehicles. I have experience not only in handling key environmental tests such as fuel consumption, sound level, and engine power testing, but also in leading the operation of the ICMS system and the standardization of certification documents, which reduced regulatory errors by more than 30%. Additionally, I worked on a foldable display hinge development project, gaining valuable experience in collaborating with global development teams and managing technical issues. If I join BMW Korea, I would like to contribute to the systematic management and quality improvement of parts homologation by leveraging these experiences. Question. Why did you decide to change jobs? English answer. I have a clear goal of continuously developing my career in the field of automotive certification. When I joined my current company, I originally applied for a position related to EV parts certification and LCA management. However, due to internal staffing adjustments, I was assigned to hinge development for foldable displays. While this experience allowed me to enhance my problem-solving skills and global communication abilities, my core expertise and career focus have always been in automotive homologation. I want to return to automotive certification and grow as a specialist through BMW's global process. Question. What are your strengths? English answer. First, I have extensive experience in regulatory compliance, from -2 to Euro 6e and the latest AES guidance. I have built practical expertise by directly preparing and managing certification documents across a wide range of regulations. Second, I offer strong system-based documentation skills. By organizing ICMS and WVTA data into a structured database, I successfully reduced documentation errors by over 30%. Third, I am committed to continuous self-development. While working, I earned certifications such as the Air Pollution Engineer and Electrical Engineer, and actively participated in internal and external training to stay updated with evolving EV certification regulations. I believe these 3 capabilities will enable me to respond effectively to diverse homologation requirements and contribute to maintaining BMW Korea's high standards for quality and compliance. Question. What can you contribute at BMW? English answer. In the short term, I aim to understand BMW's certification flow and risk factors quickly and become productive in project cycles. In the long term, I want to lead part certification planning for future technologies such as EVs and autonomous vehicles. I want to be a key link between BMW HQ, BMW Korea, and certification agencies to support smooth and clear certification. Question. What is your weakness or something you've improved? English answer. One of my current challenges is real-time spoken English communication. I'm confident in reading technical documents and writing emails in English, but in meetings or phone calls where quick responses are needed, I've sometimes found it difficult to express myself clearly or choose the right words. To improve this, I've been attending English conversation study groups 2 to 3 times a week and practicing through mock interview simulations to build fluency and confidence. If I join BMW Korea, I will continue this effort and aim to reach a level where I can communicate effectively in real-time meetings within 3 months. Question. How did you respond to a new regulation implementation? English answer. During the MV1 EV homologation project, a new EU regulation was introduced, making our existing documentation format insufficient. I took the initiative to analyze the regulation text, extract key requirements, and redesign our internal certification template accordingly. After aligning with Hyundai HQ to incorporate new evaluation criteria, I also conducted team training to ensure everyone was prepared for the updated process. This experience shows my ability to understand new regulations quickly, work well with different teams, and take action to solve problems. I believe it proves that I can contribute effectively to a global certification system like BMW's. Question: what is the difference between ICMS and WVTA? English answer: ICMS is a platform for submitting, updating, and managing data like vehicle specs, test results, and certifications. WVTA is the overall certification framework for Europe. In other words, ICMS is a tool for operational tasks, while WVTA defines the certification structure. I have used both in parallel, ensuring consistency and compliance in multi-country projects.